Oh my gosh, guys, I am completely ready for my first going out like theme event night. Hi everyone, welcome back or welcome to my channel if you're new here. If you are new here, hi, my name is Shayla and I am currently a junior at Columbus State University in Georgia, but this semester I am studying abroad in Manchester, England. I want to apologize if this is your first time coming on here. I normally don't look like this. I'm not wearing any makeup, so I probably look like a little baby face, and my hair is in pigtails just because I want it to stay out of the way because I am filming a study abroad get ready video for going out at night. It is Wednesday, January 29th at 6:30 p.m. and I am going to an alien slash outer space themed event, like party night out thing. Not entirely sure, have not been to one of these yet, but this week's theme is alien slash outer space. So I'm going to be transforming myself into the cutest little alien you ever did see, or maybe not, maybe you've seen cuter. Okay, so now that my foundation is complete, my eyebrows look so weird because I accidentally got foundation on my eyebrows, so I look very scary. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use the MAC eyebrows styler pencil in the color Spike. So I like it because it's got the little brush that you can use, and then it also has the actual color. This is so unflattering, but I'm just filling in my eyebrows. So now that I have done my foundation as well as my eyebrows, it is time to do my eyeshadow, and I'm going to use the Tartelette Toasted palette, and I'm going to use the color S'more, which is up here, and then just lightly give it like a base coat. I would just like to say I hardly ever wear eyeshadow. Like, I am not good at putting eyeshadow on, so if I'm doing something like weird or wrong, like, that's why. I'm not, I mean, I like eyeshadow, I've never been good at like applying eyeshadow, so it's always risky on how it's going to turn out. It does not look like I did anything on camera, but in person it looks nice. I'm not sure if I want to add more because it's kind of like in a time to go all out, but I'm afraid if I add more it's not gonna look good, so you know what, I'll add a teeny bit more. Okay, so I'm not a fan of that, but I did one motion on that side, so I'll do one more on that side. I don't want to go too extreme because I still want to look pretty.
So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can.
Okay, I have the perfect song that I want to play because I'm going to an outer space slash alien themed event. So comment below if you have a feeling you know what song I am about to play. Do you know it? It's a really good one. Ready? I'm so excited. Ready?
Everybody get up, it's time to slam. Welcome to the Space Jam. Here's your chance, do your dance at the Space Jam. Alright. Come on, it's time to get
Now we're gonna move on to lipstick, and I'm using the Ulta Beauty Pat and Shine liquid lipstick, and it does not tell me a color, which is so disappointing. Maybe it's just like the only one that it has, but it's a really pretty pink shiny color. Lipstick is complete, and I'm gonna move on to the next step, which might be kind of weird, but I'm gonna use some of the Ulta Beauty highlighter and put that on top of my lipstick. I saw another girl do that for like an alien makeup look, and it looked really cute, so it might look terrible when I do it, but we're gonna go ahead and try. So I just have a clean lipstick thing. I cleaned it all off and gonna put it onto the highlighter. And because it's supposed to give it a holograph looking look, like holographic, I don't know, metallic-y, nice look. Honestly, like, it kind of looks cool. I don't think I did it that well, but kind of looks cool. Before I complete the makeup look and before I move on to hair, I've got all these mascaras, which is really excessive because I'm excessive, and then I have this eyelash curler. So I'm gonna start with curling my lashes, and then I'll get into the mascara routine that I have going on because it changes every day. I honestly can't do like a full honest mascara routine because it changes every day. But I'm gonna start off with the Clinique Lash Doubling Mascara. This is my favorite, so I like to start with it and then I usually end with it as well. So I tried to do my hair the same on both sides, but it did not work. So this side is much tighter curls and this side is much looser curls. And I like this one better just because it is currently 7:43 and the event doesn't start until 9, and then we're gonna go all night long. So yeah, I'm gonna do this to this side of my head. Sorry for the delay. That's honestly being a girl sometimes. Like sometimes you don't get the curls that you want, but I'm gonna go ahead and just redo that. It won't take too long now that I already have like sections pretty much decided, and I like how this turned out. So curls are complete and I am loving it so much, and I'm afraid that I'm going to mess up the half up half down space buns, but we're gonna try my best, or I'm gonna try my best to make sure that doesn't happen. But honestly don't even want to like ruin how beautiful this hair looks, but we're gonna go ahead and try to do that right now. We're gonna brush that through, which kind of like defeats the purpose of me curling it earlier, but that's okay. And this is no tutorial by any means because I don't even know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna go ahead and take some of these thinner hair ties, like hair bands. Okay, and I gotta restart that over. So we're gonna just brush that out and put that back. This might be too thin, honestly, but okay. If this actually looks like half decent on my first try, like I'm gonna be shocked. Because like I said, I've never done this, and I just watched like one video on YouTube, and the way that the girl did it is too complicated for me, so I'm gonna try to do it like a more basic version. Okay, and then same thing, gonna get that hair out of the way and brush this out. And then we're gonna go ahead, this might be too small, but I don't want to do it so big that like it doesn't even look cute, you know. I'm gonna tease this a bit more just so it's got like more hair to work with. But this is so hard. Space buns are finished. They are not perfect, but if I tried to do them one more time, because I tried many times off camera, and I'd probably like I could not handle it if I had to do it one more time. So this is the final space bun look, and I'm so excited. It is 8:13 now, and I'm gonna leave in about 30 minutes, so I'm gonna get dressed and then take some selfies and some pics, and I'm so excited. I am ready to go almost pretty much soon, basically. Oh my gosh, guys, I am completely ready for my first going out like theme event night. I am so excited. So this is my hair in my awful space buns, but we're gonna make it work. This is my teal/green bodysuit, which I love. It's got little buttons down it, and this skirt is actually not mine. My friend Julie let me borrow it, so shout out to you, Julie, thank you so much. And my self tan looks amazing with this outfit on, and then I just have white boots because I know they don't match, but they have a little heel, and the black shoes that I have, like my black boots here, they just don't look cute enough, so I think it's okay. Like, I'm an alien, I'm out of this world, I'm not supposed to be like perfect, and I'm honestly just obsessed. Like my space ones could have been better, but we're gonna work with what we have, and I like what we have, so love it. So excited. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye!